Welcome to Sephia Spaces, a place where architecture, design, and everyday living come together in quiet harmony. Across the world, homes are more than structures of concrete, glass, and wood. They're reflections of the way we live, the way we feel, and the spaces we return to at the end of each day. Every carefully designed room tells a story about light moving gently through tall windows, about textures that invite you to slow down, and about spaces created not just for living, but for experiencing life. Here at Sephia Spaces, we explore homes that celebrate thoughtful design and timeless elegance. From peaceful living rooms filled with natural light to kitchens designed for both beauty and everyday function, to bedrooms that become quiet sanctuaries away from the outside world. Each home we visit is unique, yet they all share something in common: a sense of balance, a sense of calm, and a deep appreciation for the art of living well. Today, we're stepping inside a modern home where architecture meets nature in a beautifully understated way. Clean lines, natural materials, and expansive glass walls allow the surrounding landscape to become part of the experience. It's a home designed not only to look beautiful, but to feel comfortable, peaceful, and deeply connected to its environment. As we move through each space, take a moment to notice the small details: the way natural light fills the rooms, the way textures and materials work together, and the way thoughtful design can transform a house into something truly special. So take a breath, slow down for a moment, and join us as we explore another inspiring home. This is Sephia Spaces, and our journey begins now. Street view. From the street, this home immediately feels calm and refined. Surrounded by soft greenery and open sky, the architecture stands out in a quiet and elegant way. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and large windows give the house a modern presence while still feeling warm and inviting. It's the kind of home that captures attention without trying too hard. Driveway. As we move along the driveway, the design begins to reveal itself more clearly. A smooth stone pathway leads toward the entrance, framed by carefully shaped landscaping and simple garden details. Every element feels intentional, guiding visitors naturally toward the heart of the home. Front yard. The front yard keeps the design minimal and balanced. Instead of filling the space with heavy decoration, the landscape focuses on clean geometry, greenery, and natural textures. This allows the architecture to remain the main highlight. Porch. Before stepping inside, the porch creates a calm moment of transition. With warm materials and soft lighting, this space feels welcoming and relaxed. It's easy to imagine sitting here in the morning with a cup of coffee while the day slowly begins. Entryway. As we enter the home, the entryway immediately sets the tone. Tall glass panels allow natural light to fill the space, while warm textures create a feeling of quiet luxury. It's simple, elegant, and beautifully balanced. Living room. Moving into the living room, the space opens up dramatically. Large floor-to-ceiling windows bring the outdoors inside, filling the room with natural light and peaceful views of the garden. Soft, neutral furniture and warm materials make this space feel both comfortable and sophisticated. This is clearly the heart of the home. Dining room. Just beside the living area, the dining room offers a warm place to gather. A beautiful wooden table anchors the room, surrounded by elegant seating and soft lighting above. It's a space designed for long conversations, shared meals, and memorable moments. Kitchen. The kitchen continues the home's modern and refined aesthetic. Clean surfaces, warm wood elements, and thoughtful organization create a space that is both functional and visually calming. Everything feels open, practical, and beautifully designed for everyday living. Pantry. Right next to the kitchen, the pantry provides additional storage while maintaining the same clean and organized style. Shelving, glass containers, and natural materials help keep everything easy to access and visually pleasing. Even the practical spaces in this home feel thoughtfully designed. Bedroom. Moving into the bedroom, the atmosphere becomes noticeably more peaceful. Soft fabrics, neutral tones, and gentle lighting create a calm environment perfect for rest and relaxation. Large windows continue the connection with the outdoors, bringing natural light into the room. Closet. The walk-in closet continues the home's sense of quiet luxury. Clean shelving, warm wood finishes, and organized layouts make the space both elegant and practical. Everything has its place, creating a calm and clutter-free environment. Bathroom. The bathroom feels almost like a private spa. Natural stone textures, warm lighting, and open space create a relaxing and tranquil atmosphere. It's a place designed to slow down and enjoy quiet moments. Office. The home office offers a peaceful environment for focus and creativity. With natural light flowing through the windows and simple modern furnishings, it's a workspace that feels inspiring without distraction. Library. The library brings warmth and character to the home. Shelves filled with books, soft lighting, and comfortable seating create the perfect place to unwind with a good read. It's a quiet retreat within the house. Patio. Stepping outside again, the patio extends the living space into the garden. Comfortable seating and open air create a relaxing environment for both quiet afternoons and evening gatherings. The connection between indoor and outdoor spaces feels effortless. Backyard sunset. As the day begins to end, the backyard becomes the most beautiful part of the home. The warm glow of the sunset gently settles across the garden and architecture, creating a peaceful and cinematic moment. It's the perfect way to conclude this tour of a thoughtfully designed modern home. Thank you for joining this tour here at Sephia Spaces. If you enjoyed exploring this home, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments which space you loved the most. And as always, stay inspired and keep creating spaces you love.